Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। मैं आपकी अपनी अदिति जैन 25 जून 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स लेके आपके बीच। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Who has become the first transgender weightlifter to participate in the Olympics? It is Laurel Hubbard. She is from New Zealand and she has been selected to compete at the 2020 Summer Olympics. Who has become the first women fighter pilot of Jammu and Kashmir in the Indian Air Force? It is Mavya Sudan. She is a 23-year-old girl from Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir. She has become first women officer in the state and 12th women officer and fighter pilot in the country. Which is the largest recipient country in FDI inflows as per the recent World Investment Report 2021? This is USA. Which company has topped in the recently released ranking of the world's most valuable brands? This company is Amazon. Earlier, this place was occupied by Apple, but now Amazon is leading them all, leaving behind Apple, Google, Microsoft and all others. When was World Humanitarian Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 21st June. Who has been selected as the Forest Frontline Heroes Ambassador of WWF India? This is Upasana Kamineni. She is director of Apollo Hospital and this initiative has been taken with the motive to appreciate the efforts of frontline workers in hospitals and in wildlife protection space. Who has written the book titled The Seven Sins of Being a Mother? This book has been written by Tahira Kashyap Khurana. She is a filmmaker as well as a writer and this book is her fifth book and her first book is I Promise. Next is who has become the first Arab woman to win WTA title? This woman is Ons Jabeur. She has beaten Russian Daira Kasatkina in final of grass court event in Birmingham. Which team has won the title of the first ICC World Test Championship 2021 recently? This is New Zealand. Recently, who has become the first country to successfully test the airborne anti-drone laser? This country is Israel and it has successfully tested high-power laser that can shoot down drones mid-air. Recently, which country has constituted Hydrogen Task Force to India? This country is America. Recently, which state government has decided to implement the Nadu Nedu scheme of Andhra Pradesh? This state is Telangana. Now we should also know something about Nadu Nedu scheme. This scheme focuses on improving the learning outcomes and decrease the dropout rate in all schools. This scheme works on 9 basic infrastructural components such as drinking water, toilets and electricity and so on. With which company Airtel has tied up for Made in India 5G technology? This is Tata Group's TCS. Recently, who has started the campaign Jaan Hai to Jahan Hai? This campaign has been started by Ministry of Minorities. Union Minister of Ministry of Minorities Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has launched this awareness campaign for coronavirus vaccination in Rampur district of Uttar Pradesh. This scheme will create awareness about vaccination as well as prevent apprehension and rumors regarding vaccination. Who has become the greatest batsman of 21st century? The greatest batsman of 21st century is Sachin Tendulkar. Who has become the Prime Minister of Sweden? Stefan Löfven. Which state started the Silver Line project? This project has been started by Kerala. Which Indian neurologist's book, Monk in Mars, was launched posthumously? This book was written by neurologist Dr. Ashok Panagariya. CM of Karnataka has announced one-time relief of how much amount to cinema TV artists? CM of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, has announced the amount of rupees 3,000 crore as one-time relief for cinema TV artists. Which state government provide tap water connection to 25 lakh rural households this year under Jal Jeevan Mission? This state is Karnataka. Chief Minister of which state has e-launched Agriculture Diversification Scheme 2021? CM of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani, with the aim of making agriculture sustainable and profitable in the tribal areas of state, launched this scheme. And this scheme is going to benefit 1.26 lakh Vanbandhu or farmers from 14 tribal districts. Chief Minister of which state will launch State Learning Management System to promote digital learning in higher education? This is Karnataka. According to UNESCO, Great Barrier Reef should be put in the list of World Heritage Sites. It is located in ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू.